And now let's meet the players first for your GSIS Furies. At number 1, attorney Randy Ceniza. Number 2, Noel Alvarez. Number 3, Mike Beran. Number 5, Ronald Gold Manila. Number 6, Summer Garcia. Number 7, Johnny Gutierrez. Number 8, John De Luna. Number 10, Paul De La Cuadra. Number 13, attorney Ogie Haro. Number 15, Donald Manigbas. Number 19, Rolly Atun. Number 21, engineer Nemi Yako. Number 24, June Alfonso. Number 26, Rico Abaritos. Number 32, Tristan Hernandez. Number 43, attorney Steve Chuyako. Number 45, attorney Dexter Macaraig. And number 88, Charles Lagman. Head coach for GSIS is Popoy Bansali. Let us now meet the players for the OP Executives. Number 1, Joseph Lowe. Number 4, Reynold Monsayat. Number 7, Chicoy Alvarez. Number 9, Yusek Sam Young. Number 10, attorney Azek Montano Nazario Jr. Number 11, attorney Bite Reyes. Number 13, attorney Carlo Paulino. Number 14, Hector Melencio. Number 15, attorney Eric Luz. Number 18, Mark Lapid. Number 19, Yusek BJ Palatao. Number 22, Azek MJ Bayang. Number 28, Azek Jomar Canlas. Number 33, Dr. Pedro Concha. Number 37, attorney Chino Ramos. Number 87, attorney Glenn Ocampo. And number 92, Brian Gabriel. Coaching the OP Executives is Oscar Crisostomo. Let us now meet the starters for both teams, starting with the GSIS Furies. Starting at guard number 3, Mike Beran. The other guard number 32, Tristan Hernandez. At center number 10, Paul De La Cuadra. At forward number 6, Homer Garcia. The other forward number 15, Donald Manigbas. Head coach for the Furies is Popoy Banzali. And now let's meet the starters for the OP Executives. At guard number 22, Azek MJ Bayang. The other guard number 92, Brian Gabriel. At forward number 7, Chicoy Alvarez. The other forward number 18, Mark Lapid. And at center number 9, Yusek Sam Young. Coaching the OP Executives is Oscar Crisostomo. Introducing our officials for this game, Alan Manzano, Ruel Tolentino, and Michael Kinay.
Game number 36, EFO 4th edition. 3 teams already in the semis, 1 seat remaining for a spot in the last 4. Defending and reigning EFO champions, the Senate Sentinels. GSIS first time into the semis. Office of the President made it to the semis but did not cross over to the finals in last year's edition, won by the Senate Sentinels. AFP, nagkampiyon na. PNP, nagkampiyon na. Senado last year ang nanalo. Samantala, abangan natin ang tip-off na antala. At titignan natin kung ano ang hatid ng ating kasamang si Miss Rina Villamor Camara na antabay na. Rina, please.
Para lang kayo nagbabalita. Pero babalitaan ko rin kayo about the GSIS Furies. Of course, this last 2 games will be a test of character para sa kanilang kupunan, lalo na at hindi madaling malusutan dito ang OP at ang huling laro nila on this round against the AFP Cavaliers. At the back of their mind, they wanted to retain the number 3 in the team standings, but they know very well that there could be a lot of scenarios that can happen here at pwede pang makahabol yung ibang kupunan in the Final Four. Si Coach Popoy Bansali, ang reminder niya kanina in the dugout is not to be overwhelmed. Instead, relax, focus, and take it 1 ball game at a time. And speaking of today's ball game, there are 4 simple reminders going into today's ball game. Una na dyan is to limit here the scoring of their shooters like sila Bayang, Young, and Alvarez. And of course, they have to match dito yung individually talented lineup ng OP Executives with their team effort. And the third is to trust the system. And lastly, to make good advantage here dahil sila nga yung kupunan dito na may ensayo compared to the OP Executives who are coming into today's ball game without any practice at all. Back to you, coaches.
Para pala kaming nagbabalita. Salamat, kasamang Rina. Pasok! Pasok, Patrick Run.
Yes, sa Furies. First basket by Tristan Hernandez.
Tama. Na kasama sa hinighlight mo na 3 players. Si Garcia is a triple-double threat. Nagti-triple-double dito yan, Coach Pat. First attempt from the 3 ball. Yusek Samyang misses in that putback. Gandang laban ito.
Oo.
4 na sunod na panalo para sa OP. 5. Walang bahid na sunod para sa Furies.
Kaya lang, na-report nga ni kasamang Rina, hindi daw naka-ensayo.
Ay, importante dyan. Present.
Oo.
Dahil kinakainsayo ka, pagdating sa laro, absent. Hindi ka makabuo. Not good. MJ Bayang against Garcia. Bayang. Back to Lapid. Left shot. Left wing rather. Overshoots.
Nagre-request si Tristan Hernandez.
Ano sabi?
Pwede daw palitan ng bola.
Paging Kuya Joey. Ayun, napalitan na. Pwede namin gamitin yan bago maluma. Para lumambot. Hernandez, quarterbacking here. A minute gone here in quarter 1. Manigbas, free throw line extended. No go. Off right.
Those are open shots, ha?
Correct.
Oo.
Bayang against De La Cuadra. Bayang scanning. Kick to the right. Another 3 ball. In and out. The pitch. The leak out. Hernandez uses his left. Back-to-back layups for Tristan Hernandez.
Kaliwat kanan, no?
Kanan at kaliwa.
Oo.
Yeah. Parang ano yan? Bitcho-bitcho at saka turon.
Oo.
Yeah.
No problem.
Another 3 ball. Short cleanup job. Alvarez, one of the top players. And offensive rebounds. And scoring of those offensive rebounds.
I believe last game nila naka-20, 18 rebounds yata ito.
Hindi nakakapagtaka.
Oh. Another steal by Yusek Samyang. Fast break.
And again, third straight layup here para sa GSIS.
Yan, lahat ng nila basket is from a transition.
Takbo ng takbo itong mga ito eh. Oo, ang tawag dyan. Talagang desidido.
Oo.
Na kumbaga bigyan ng bahid itong OP at hindi magsigurado na pasok na sa semis.
Oo.
Bayang. Short on the jumper. Garcia pushes again. Garcia out running. 3. Garcia uses his left. Banks it. Nails it. Gives his team a 6-point lead.
All the 8 points of the Furies coming from the fast break, no?
Yung isa galing sa jump ball naman. Pero parang nakakaw rin lumabas yun eh.
Oo.
Bola para sa OP. Another 3 ball. Still nothing from the long ball. 0-4. GSIS off and running. Garcia. Hernandez. Nothing on the 3. Bayang will push. Beran will stay in front. Hernandez with a roadblock. Forced attempt coming from Bayang against 4.
Yeah, against 4 defenders.
Alam nila kung sinong babantayan. Alam nila kung sino ang top scorer. As one of the best players off the bench comes in for the first time in Attorney Chino Ramos.
Yes. Attorney Ramos is is a good shooter also.
Very good player, oo. Very good player. De La Cuadra. De La Cuadra with getting that nice feed and scores.
4 points for De La Cuadra and 3 rebounds.
3 assists on 5 made field goals para sa Furies. Up 8. Alvarez, who scored earlier, knocks in the second basket. So it's GSIS 10, Alvarez with 4 for the OPs. 6-point lead para sa White Shirts.
Ang hirap ng reverse na gano'n, no? Lalo na pag may nakatapat sa harapan.
Ako, hindi ko talaga nakakatira ng ganyan sa totoong laro. Sa drills kaya. Sa laro, di ko makita eh.
Saka yung makaka-adjust ka doon sa depensa.
Saka impactus, hirap ako dun eh. Sa akin kasi saktuhan lang yung tira dahil maliit. Bayang changes direction. Bayang.
Ayan, mahirap na tira, no?
Tsaka yan ang talagang laro ni Bayang. Open court.
Open court. First shot by Bayang was good.
Taas ang scoring average ni Atty. MJ Bayang. Nasa 20 plus to a game. And regularly, sa mga panalo nila, karamihan dyan, isa siya sa mga best players na napipili parati. SIS going small. The Lacuadra taken out. 8-point lead earlier. 4-point run right now para sa OP. Behind by 4. 2-3 zone defense para dito sa Office of the President. Hernandez fakes. Garcia loses the handle. Manigbas recovers. Beran. Beran again. Open. Overcooks.
Ganda na sana na extra passing ng Furies doon.
Tama. Some early numbers.
For the Furies, De La Cuadra with 4. Garcia with 2 and Tristan Hernandez with 4. Sa panig naman ng OP, Alvarez with 4.
Points off the bench. Napakahalaga. As Tanisa announces his first entry with a short quarter conversion. Mabagal ang pace so far para sa OP. Ramos, Bayang at top. Entry pass Alvarez. Kick out Ramos. Ramos steps back. Still nothing from the long ball at 0 out of 5.
Pero ang ganda ng form no?
Deadly yan.
Deadly Tsaka may step back.
May bagong dating.
Oo.
Malaki yan.
Oh, Wednesday kasi ngayon.
Yan. Beran. Scoops. Builds another 8-point lead. Anchored in the 4-point run. Score 14-6. Tie 4-14. Quarter 1. First match, EFO.
Sir Chicoy, gawin natin tayo, double high screen. Sir Chicoy, Sir Sam, Sir MJ, tapos Sir Mark, and Gino. Double high screen. Kung sino yung nag-screen na pinili ni Sir MJ, stay. Yung other big man, slide tayo. Okay? Pag wala, handoff natin sa wing. Okay, then screen ulit. Okay? Let's go.
Good start here para sa GSIS. The onus right now is an OP to be able to fight back and play better if they want to make it to the semis outright. Basket after a timeout coming from Bayang. Good ball screen set by Chicoy Alvarez. As Yusek Samyang so far still very quiet. Manning the frontline defense para sa kanila. Inside pass. Senisa, kick out to Beran. Good contest by Alvarez. Bayang against Hernandez. Bayang to Alvarez. Alvarez.
Yeah.
Wow, nice sequence for Alvarez there. Rebound and then the anchor on the break.
Good extra pass by Bayang of a transition.
4 points after they call timeout. Cuts the lead to 4. Another missed free ball for Hernandez. Bayang again in the open court. Bayang cross court. Ramos, Lapid, pulls up. 6 straight points. 3 possessions.
Pag ikaw that was a good timeout.
Yes. 8 kanina kanilang hinahabol.
Oo.
Kabasa 2. Garcia. Hernandez, long on the 3. Garcia, floater. Manigbas, good steal. can turn this into gold as 2 free throws are coming up.
Wala na eh, no? Pero nandun pa rin siya sa ilalim.
Sipag yan.
Oo. First shot for Manigbas. So far, Office of the President 2 of 2, while GSIS is 1 of 1 from the free throw line. 2 made baskets by Manigbas.
2 made free throws. For Manigbas, matigas maglaro. Lapid against Enisa. Bayang at the top. Kick out. Ramos wide open. Short on the 3. Ramos to Alvarez. Alvarez to Lapid. Lapid spots. Takes. Misses.
Furies are on the run again.
Ayan na naman. Ayan na naman. Si classmate ni Coach Patrick. From
June
Macquarie.
Alfonso.
Aha. Saan ba classmate? Anong grade?
Grade 8. Bali first year high school.
Oh, Bayang leaking out. Bayang sailing and scoring. 6 for Bayang. And this is a major fight back before the quarter is done.
Yeah, after the first timeout, no? From 8 to 2 points na lang. Good defense by the Office of the President. Running again. Foul by Lagman.
It's their version of the open court game. Looking for early offense, looking for early looks. And they're able to defuse that slow start. At dumadami na ang mga manlalaro para sa UP. Nagwa-warm up pa isa ron, Coach Pat.
Oo.
Naka-cobra pose.
Kailangan mag-warm up.
Ay.
Importante yan.
Ay.
Kasi, siyempre, galing sa trabaho eh.
Saka yung papunta rito.
Oo.
Galing sa ano ito? Iba-iba eh. Human settlement si Samyang.
First free throw by Bayang.
7 for Bayang.
Yeah.
That's 5 of the last 9 points. That's 6 of the last 10 points. GSIS has seen enough. Popoy Bansali sees a red flag as we're tied at 16. Timeout for GSIS.
Depensa natin. Okay, pwede kayo magkapalit ha. ID nyo ha, kung Bayang nandito, di naman masyado tumitira. Kung may screen yan, okay lang yan, follow lang tayo. Ikaw, head ka lang dito. Okay, opensa natin. Opensa natin. Charles, kapag nandito tayo, nandito ka na, nag-give up mo yung mga bola, stay ka na rito. Di mo na kailangan lumapit dito. Tulad yan, pumapasa break sila, di ba? So kailangan mayroon tayong transition defense. Okay? Tawag natin yung blue lang. Homer dito sa gitna. Ha? June, Steve, Sir Paul dito. Okay, pag nag-give up natin yung bola dito, ito ha, hit natin, Homer live. Pag ito napasahan natin, Sir Paul, yan, pwede kang pasahan ni Homer dyan. Yan lang ang play natin ha, yan lang. Charles, si Bayang, pag ilang pasahan.
O, ito na, Coach Pat. Umarangkada. Furies, Romemate, OP, tumabla, OP, 16 all, 96 seconds remaining, unang quarter. Bakit ba? Ano ba nangyari sa mga numero dyan?
8 straight points after the first timeout ha.
8 lang ba?
8. Tapos nakasagot ang Furies ng dalawa. Tapos 4.
Oh. So, first field goal in the last 4 minutes para sa GSIS. Lamang pa rin ang GSIS, pero si Bayang umasinta at sumipat. Foul. An OP. Buena mano. Para sa manlalaro. Na kabilang doon sa frontline rotation, si Lo. As we bring back in ang aming kasamang mahilig mag-ulat pagkatapos ng kanyang PTC, si Miss Rina Villamor Camara.
hindi pa tapos.
Ay, I'm
Ongoing
sorry.
pa rin.
I'm sorry,
Pero ito,
ma'am.
may report ako about the OP, no? To play with a sense of urgency. That is all that's being asked from the team right now. This is a must-win game para sa kanilang kupunan dahil gusto pa nga nilang humabol at makapasok dun sa ating Final Four. And they know for a fact that their journey here was quite a struggle kumpara noong last season. And this is in consideration na mas dumami tayo dito at mas naging lumakas yung ibang mga kupunan dito. And just like the GSIS, they're taking it one game at a time. So ang focus nila is for today's ball game. The team has proven na kahit wala silang ensayo, alam nila kung paano gumalaw ang isa't isa. And true enough, nakakahabol na nga sila dito sa atin sa scoreboard. Another factor kung bakit din medyo slow sila sa kanilang umpisa is because karamihan sa kanila hindi na nakapag-warm up just in time na pumasok dito sa Amaranto Arena. Back to you, coaches.
Salamat. Balik sa PTC. Balik sa PTC, ma'am.
Oo.
18 all.
Mabigat nga yun, yung report ni Ma'am Dina.
Mabigat talaga yan. At may PTC. Magalit si Mikel pag wala si Mami.
Sinabi niya, Coach Ronnie, yung
Kwento mo.
na hindi nakapag-warm up na maayos.
Naku.
Mahirap.
Mapuna ako. Sandali. Dito ka muna. Hirap yan. Lalo pag hindi ka na bata. Diba? Dati hindi ako nag-warm up eh. Ayoko mag-warm up dati. Gusto ko laro agad.
Pero
Ayun, ayoko nang maglaro agad. Gusto ko warm up muna.
warm up na lang.
Under 30 seconds. May challenge dito ang OP. Yung green na yan, Coach Pat. Challenge. Coach's challenge. So far, so good para dito sa GSIS. Hindi pa nakakatikim ng kalamangan ang team ng OP. Coach Popoy Banzal, of course, one of the main guns for GSIS. Sa ating UNTV Cup main competition na magbubukas sometime around October. Sandali na lamang po ang inyong aantayin. Makikita niyo na muli sila Maki Escalona, sila Popoy Banzali.
Sila naglaro sa finals, no?
Hindi GSIS. Ang nag-champion ay Department of Agriculture.
Okay.
Oo, pero nanalo sa unang laro sa finals ang SSS. Tapos dinalawang sunod. So ang ating defending champions ay ang mga nanlalaro ng agriculture. So challenge is successful and possession will stay para sa Furies. Oh, possession swings.
Challenge
OP
is
tama.
successful.
Dahil OP nga ang nag-challenge.
Oo.
Good call. With the maroon shirts.
28 seconds.
Aha, nagtitipid sa oras. Pagulong, pagulong. Parang Jolens.
Kay Bayang ulit.
Bayang getting a double pick. Bayang swings left to Canlas. Canlas caps out. Bayang gets the kick out. Canlas. Oh, may padjak pa.
Oo.
Garcia de la Cuadra almost loses it. De la Cuadra. Forward pass. Chuyako. Chuyako passes back. Garcia. Back to Chuyako. Chuyako short of the shot. What started out as a good-sized lead for GSIS has turned out to be a standoff at the end of the first 10 minutes. Release 18, OP with 18. This is the launch pad for the incoming second quarter. Back in a few.
Second quarter ended at 18 all sa panig ng GSIS. 4 points for De La Cuadra, 4 points for Garcia, also 4 points for Hernandez. Sa panig naman ng Office of the President, 10 points for MJ Bayang. 6 points for Alvarez.
Ganda. Ang ganda. Mahirap.
Pinakamaganda.
That's the value of a good baseball pitch. Transition attack. Big element dun sa unang bugso na kalamangan para sa GSIS kanina-kanina lamang. Na nabaw na sa limot dahil sa kinayod di Bayang pabalik.
Oo.
Kinayod.
10 points eh.
Yes. Good matchup between De La Cuadra and Alvarez.
Maano mo yung urgency talaga ng ng Office of the President no? For this game talaga kailangan talaga manalo. Baseline inbound by MJ Bayang. Good baseline inbound.
That's his first, second for the Furies.
2 free throws for Joseph Lowe.
Oh, yes. Both teams have been perfect from the line so far. 7 of 7 para sa OP. Meaning, they have given up these 7 free throws. At ang team ng OP have been opportunistic.
Nabate.
Nabate ni Coach Pat. Manigbas. Nasundutan. Manigbas. Napalapit. Manigbas na agawan. Eto na si Canlas. Canlas. Alvarez. To loose. Bump. Spins. Manigbas just like that is back in action. Hernandez De La Cuadra. Manigbas. Oh. Hernandez. Nice.
Anong tawag doon sa ganung pasa? Niyoyo?
Alam mo yung pag nililinis yung bigas? Yung ginaganon. May tawag doon, di ba?
Oo.
Para matanggal yung mga dumi.
Oo.
Dati ako inuutusan parati noon eh.
Yung pinakamaliliit sa dulo.
Yung mga palay. Tapos yung mga itim-itim.
Oo. Nasa, ano yun?
Bilao.
Correct.
Low. Wala sa Bilao. Yung atake. Hindi pumasok. Meron din sa di ba? Sa buhangin.
Oo.
Pag pipinuhin mo, di ba?
Sinasala.
Oo. Ang tawag dun eh. Knockout play. Wide open. Ramos counters. Ramos misses. Inap job. Beran.
Ano naman?
Hernandez. Nakaraig. Backfires. Ramos, 3 on 2. Hook pass. Low.
Ganda ng pasa ni Ramos no? Pinakomit at rinapas.
Iniisip ko yung tawag doon sa buhangin na ginaganon eh.
Bistay,
tama. Tapos yun ang pangpapalitada mo. Diba?
Kailangan kasi pinong-pino.
Yes, malinis. 4 points in the quarter para sa GSIS. 1 point so far para sa OP. Came off a free throw earlier by Law.
Parang nabati nga.
Ay, hindi ko na. Papasok na unti-unti ang ombudsman. Senado, na salubong ko na si Tata Fermin. Ang kapatid ng head coach na si Mike Fermin.
Senado, 6-0, no?
6-0.
6 wins.
Macareg has played well, at least in the last 2 games. Has scored heavily for GSIS, and those wins came at the expense of Comelec and DOJ. 83-63, 85-61. Hernandez corner 3. Raises an arrow for Hernandez, who now has a total of 6 points.
6
9
points.
points.
9 points na 9.
Kasi tatlong layups yan sa first quarter. First basket in quarter 2. 7-1 here in the second
May
quarter.
steal pa.
Yes.
Almost a steal.
So they started out the way they did dun sa first quarter blast.
CP mo, no, 9 points in less than 13 minutes.
Alin?
Sa game si Hernandez.
Yeah, 1 point per minute almost.
Walang problema.
Wala, no problem. Nakangiti pa.
Oo. Sabi siguro nila, galing mo.
Dr. Concha is in. Attorney Ramos is deep left. Oh! Sinise with the roadblock. Ramos tumbles. Masakit.
Masakit, pero...
Aragoy.
Aray.
Sinisa walking off. Yung isa nakajot. Yung isa nasa rib shot.
Oo.
Sakit.
Ano yung rib shock mo?
Rib shot.
Rib shock.
SH. Ayan. No longer quiet. Nailing his first 2 points for them to pull out this win. Sam Young has to be at his best. First field goal in the quarter para sa OP. Makakaraig. Spots up. Garcia. Cleans up. Garcia, as always, omnipresent. Now with a total of 6 points. All of them coming from the restricted zone.
Last nila, no? Last 4 points sila. 4 or 6 points coming off offensive rebound.
Kaliwanag. Inside scoring.
Inside scoring talaga.
8-3 in the quarter. Pabor dito sa mga nakaputi. Garan matatawagan.
Maaga na penalty ang Furies dito.
Napakaaga. Malone made his first free throw.
So far, 7 of 11.
Missed his last 4.
Yeah.
That's 5.
That will be 7 of 12 for the executives.
Yeah.
Tama, 7 of 12.
Makaraig again. 1 of 9 from the 3-ball GSIS. 0 of 10 OP. Kaya low scoring tayo rito. Ramos gets a ball scheme from low. Ramos right elbow. Ramos drops. Alvarez powers. Extra pass Ramos. Good inside defense for the White Shirts without fouling.
Yeah. That's a short rest for Bayang for this game. Chiaco. Barrientos.
Bola. Beran. Medyo maselan. I rather bihira yung mga perimeter shots, ano?
Oo. Sa ngayon. Parang nasaktan si Ramos.
Yun sa bangga pa kanina, no?
Oo.
Oo. Ika-ika eh. Malakas eh.
Malakas talaga yun.
Intensity. 6. But nonetheless, nails his first 3-ball.
Oh.
SW. Sa wakas. Sabi ni
wakas.
Attorney Chino Ramos. Nothing but net. Ganyan ang puwersa ng 3-ball, Coach Pat.
Oo.
Matataranta ka eh. Garan, high post play. Makarig. Oh, ball fake. Matatawagan. Ganda ng venue, no?
Oo.
Tignan mo naman yung AC, oh. Ganda ng mechanism. Oh. Saan kaya pinattern tong design na to, no? Tapos may parang spaceship sa ibabaw. Di ba yung itsura? Ganda. Ganda. Sa mga high school at college sa US, ganito eh. Yung mga venues. Ramos misses in the second 3-ball attempt here in quarter 2. Bayang! Foul Bates. Will not be rewarded. Abarintos. Garcia. Back to Barintos. Oh! Give and go play. Extra pass. Barintos rewarded with a bonus situation.
May follow-through pa.
Mahirap yun eh, kasi saktuhan eh.
Kasi mahirap talaga yung tira na gano'n, yung malapitan.
Kaya hindi ako tumitira sa malapit. Dahil bantay. Barintos. Garan tried to keep it alive. Bayang with a pitch. Ramos against Macarey. Ramos to Young. Oh, good defense by Chuyako. Barintos is off and running. Chuyako goes strong. Dr. Concha.
Good blockout by Dr. Concha.
And good prescription. Ramos attacks. Oh, loses the handle. Dr. Concha. Short corner. Short. Young. Short. Beran. Some time remaining on the shot clock. Bayang once again goes north.
No problem no?
11 for Bayang. Tama ba to? O 12 na? 12.
12 na.
12 sa 26. Nearly 50% on just 7 attempts.
2 rebounds, 2 assists.
Beran. Hook pass. Chuyako. Turned out to be a pass for Beran. Beran to Garcia. A rare 3. Still not there. A rebounding machine. Sam Young passes to no one, turns the ball over. Empty possession.
Rebounding pa rin talaga eh, no?
Yes.
Doon talaga sila nagkakaano.
Yes, dyan masipag ako dyan. Hindi ako masipag. Sa boards. Ayoko yan. Passing. Yung entry here, Chuyako, it's a rest. This is a dead shot, Coach Pat. Yan. Up, Alvarez.
Talaga, ha?
Dead shot yan. Tignan mo, ha? Panuorin mo. Hernandez, the leading scorer. Yan na, panuorin mo. Pero nakita mo? Spotter.
Spotter talaga.
But you have to defend Bayang. At all times.
Mahirap talaga depensahan siya pag open court.
Bilis eh. Saka bata pa eh. Tignan mo. Sa pool.
Ganun din naman si Tristan Hernandez.
Oo. Mahirap din bantayan. Then they end up smiling at each other. 10 in the quarter para sa OP. Karamihan na naman dyan galing kay Bayang. Desayas, umalagwa na. Nahabol na naman. Tied at 29.
Bayang has 15 points rather.
Yung tinama ni Ramos, ganun kabigat eh, no? May iba agad eh. Hernandez, long ball. Back rims. Alvarez, 3 on 3. Bayang to Alvarez.
Good pass.
8 for Alvarez, 15 for Bayang. That's 23 of the 31.
Sipin mo nahanap niya na kay Alvarez, binalik kay Bayang, binalik pa kay Alvarez.
Alam mo kasi kung nasaan si Alvarez parate kasi ilalim ng rim. Lamang na ang OP. First stage of the lead. At ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng OP. Time out. Coach Popoy Vanzali outscored here in the quarter. 13 against 11. This is a major surge. Could be the tipping point. And the main architect, MJ Paya, the attorney, hard at work.
Hindi dahil magaling sila. Yung turnover natin, binibigyan natin pagkakataon. Huwag natin. Kung late tayo, di natin kaya bumaba, kailangan sigurado tayo sa opensa natin. Pasa-pasa lang. Pumasa lang tayo na maayos. Ayan lang, oh. Ayan lang. Pasa. Ganun lang. Corner, pasa, dive. Ganun lang. Ito kaya dito, pasa, sin. Ganun lang. Hindi nakakapagod yan, sir. Pumwesto lang tayo ng tama. Sundin nyo lang ako. Pag magsikip dito, wag natin ipasa. Dito natin ipasa sa labas muna. Laruin natin sa ibabaw. Tayin natin.
Transition defense was a problem earlier para sa OP. Same ailment now has hit GSIS or given up a lot of layups to MJ Bayang.
Naka-man-to-man ng OP.
Bigla, no?
Oo.
Change up.
Change up na sila.
Garcia slides in. Smooth. Operator.
Oo.
Usay ito. 8 for Garcia.
Parang lumulutang eh.
Yan. Tama yung numbers niya, Coach Pat. 8, 6, and 4.
Yes. 6 big rebounds. 4 assists.
Oh, good steal. Basket after a timeout. Will it be back to back? Oh, that's a foul. The big man. Running hard. Going strong.
31-33.
Nice shoes. For De La Cuadra.
Si MJ Bayang.
Maganda yan. Ano daw yan eh? Kobe ba o Jordan?
Kobe.
Ano daw yan dun sa Paris Olympics?
Talaga.
Yes. Wala tayo yan.
Limited.
Pag ganon, ay mahilig ako sa Anli. Okay. Time out. Ang GSIS nakabalik. Ayaw yan ng OP kaya sila naman ang tatawag ng ceasefire with this much time remaining here in quarter 2.
Papasa lang natin si Sir Luz. Papasa.
Back to the ball game. Office of the President up by 1, 33-32.
Ganda laban, no?
Oo.
As expected. Ilan sila naka-insaya kaya nung una mabagal na simula eh.
Yeah, parang diesel eh, no?
Oo. Luz against Manigbas. Heft versus quickness. And in that last exchange, it was Heft which prevailed.
Sa game na to, si Bayang from the outside, Alvarez from the inside.
Exactly.
No?
Si Luz may laro. Si Atty. Luz mahusay. Ang wala sa kanilangan ay si Palatyaw. They made their first 7 free throws but only 1 of 6 in the last 7 attempts. Before that first free throw was converted by Atty. Luz with a smile to boot.
Malaking bagay talaga ng free throws. Saka malaking bagay na penalty kagad ng Furies.
Tama ka.
Oo.
Laki ng disparity sa free throws, plus 10 eh.
Oo. 6-minute mark. Ano na eh. Penalty na sila eh.
Loose. De La Cuadra with the defensive rebound. Garcia. Close it down kasi nakatao na ang kalaban. Manigbas open. Manigbas fouled by Alvarez. Silent bounce here this next sequence. Ang next play date po natin ay sa Setyembre 15. At yan ay gaganapin sa Novadesi sa may Quirino Highway malapit sa San Luis.
Pumasok na ang classmate ko.
Aba,
Si Jun Alfonso.
Aquinas.
A.K.A. Kobe Bryant.
Ah!
24 eh.
Ayun. Alvarez still. His 5 blanks. 2 free throws coming up on that loose ball foul by De La Cuadra. Ayan na naman.
Two free throws for Alvarez. Malaking bagay talaga pag Ano ka talaga no? Early penalty yung kalaban mo.
Malaking bagay para sa kalaban.
Oo.
Kung masushoot yung free throws nyo. 7 missed free throws already. But 10 points from the line compared to only 3 from the free throws para sa GSIS. Alfonso. Perimeter scoring has been down here for GSIS. Bayang against 2. Bayang slices. Will be rewarded with 2 free throws.
Hinanapan talaga ng espasyo eh.
Natake yung mas maliit.
Oo. Saan ka nakaka-adjust sa ere.
Buelo eh.
Oo.
Ang tawag dyan, turbo boost.
Turbo.
Oo. Ang langis niyan, synthetic. Mahal.
Okay. Parang may ganyan si no? Pag nakakita ng butas si Mark Baroka.
Mahirap kalaban.
Di ba?
Oo. Mahirap kalaban. Usay, mabilis, matapang. Aha. Under a minute. 4-point lead, OP. GSIS has to get their bearings against the man-to-man defense. De La Cuadra fights inside. Alfonso, second chance. Return to sender by Alvarez. Lapid. Lapid, blind pass. Alvarez again. A block and outspins everyone. De La Cuadra. Garcia against Young. Oy, sabi sa loob. De La Cuadra, blind pass. Garcia. Oh, nice move.
Good patience.
2-on-2.
Oo. Tsaka
This
ang ganda ng
sequence.
pasahan. Short passing sa ilalim.
De La Cuadra missed. Garcia converts. 10.7 rebounds for Garcia so far.
Sa kabilang panig naman, si Alvarez takbo lang ng takbo.
Yes. Biggest lead ng GSIS, 8. OP naman kanina pumalo ng 5.
Nakalima siya.
Hindi. 3 to eh. So, 6.
6.
6.
May naman.
That's B to A, hindi po A to B. Bayang to Alvarez. B to A. B has 20. A has 11. That's 31 of the 40. Alvarez has 9 rebounds. Bayang has 3 assists. That's a double-edged sword para sa OP. Para naman sa GSIS, Coach Pat.
Garcia with 11 and Hernandez with 9. Garcia also has 7 rebounds and 4 assists.
Yes, Berana 6 rebounds as well. It's a battle of attrition. The will to survive has to be at the side of the office of the president. Sila mas nangangailangan. GSIS already in the semis, but they're still hoping that somehow they can land a twice-to-beat spot in the Final Four. Lemon time break. Back short 40-35 scoreline after the first 2 quarters. First quarter ended 18 points apiece. Second quarter, 17 points para sa GSIS, 22 for OP. OP led of course by MJ Bayang and Chucker Alvarez. Samantala sa kabilang panig naman is Tristan Hernandez and Ryan Garcia getting the job, Homer Garcia getting the job done. As we turn it over to Miss Irina Villamor Camara. Nakatawa agad eh.
Let's talk about these two teams, no? Para sa kupuran ng GSIS, it's still all about team effort because if they're playing here together, they're able to beat the individual skills here of the OP executives. Si Coach Popoy Bansali inside the dugout told his boys to simply relax, no? Kasi napapressure sila sa laro kaya hindi nila magawa ng tama yung mga sinasabi ni Coach Popoy. Now, some reminders for them, they have to stick to their 2-3 zone defense, less on turnovers here, and he wants the big guys to go after the big guys of the OP executives. Walang bumabantay kasi dun sa mga bigs ng OP executives, kaya nakakapuntos dito katulad sila Sir Franz Alvarez. Inside the dugout, I also saw Sir Paul de la Cuadra instead icing his left Nino. Sabi niya sa akin wala naman daw injury ito, nanginginig lang because of some fatigue in this game already. Meanwhile, for the OP executives, you know, aggressiveness is not an issue for the team right now, but they're taking it slowly, 2 points at a time, and making sure baskets. That's the key word for the OP executives right now. Si Coach Oscar Crisostomos simply told the boys to keep it close and take care of the lead here. Back to you, coaches.
Reyna Villamor, kamera naguulat. Sumasalute. Saka kanyang kapwa. Anong tawag sa inyo, Coach Pat? Pag taga-uste? Tomasyan. Tomasino. At sumasaludo tayo kay Tristan Hernandez na nanatili na asintado para sa GSIS, keeping them close after being down earlier by 7, their largest deficit. Totoo ba na sa pag-UST, pag ikaw ay naluha, babaha? Hindi naman. Lagi ako dati dyan ako kumakain eh. Mura kasi, tapos yung sabaw. Maski na walang lasa, dami.
Madami. Dagdag lang ng kanin.
Okay na ako doon. Kanin, sabaw, ayos na. Oo. Coach, kasi Mirza. In the house. Ating malalar ng Tomasino.
Yes.
Ramos looks right, attacks left. Bayang. Foul by Manigbas. Importante yung laro sa GSIS sa twice to beat incentive.
Sa positioning, no?
Pero kung titignan mo talaga yung timbang at bigat, mas mahalaga para sa OP.
Sa OP talaga.
Kanya lang, pag nanalo ang OP rito, tatabla sila sa GSIS. Bakit ko sinasabi yan? Pagdating na semis kasi 1 versus 4. 2 versus 3. Ay, double check natin. Although meron akong listahan dito. Ay, meron bang twice to beat edge? Ang mapupunta sa top 2 spots. Double check.
2 shots.
Twice to beat edge, Coach Pat. Basahin ang format. Dito lang ha. Huwag na dyan dahil maguguluhan ka.
Malaki talaga.
Semifinals, yan.
With twice to beat advantage.
Yan.
Yes.
Maliwanag.
Kaysa
sa sikat ng buwan.
Sunod-sunod ang turnover ngayon.
Takbo naman ng takbo. Back pass. Mahirap yan. Beran. With the penguin move. Dolphin move. Tawag doon, no? Hernandez. Cooling. De la Cuadra. Painful knee. Low. Ramos. Low. Broken up once again for the second straight time. Garcia. Knows what to do. 2 lost chances para sa OP. Could have been up by 10 already at this stage.
Nanghinayang talaga si Ramos doon. Hanggang ngayon, nagsusorry pa siya eh. Two free throws for Garcia. So far, GSIS 5 of 8 from the free throw line. Ang OP naman is 13 of 21. 13 big points from the free throw line. Samyang.
Ganda ng name, no?
Para may nasaktan sa kanya eh. Para may sumakit.
Low. Ramos. Extra pass. Bayang. Right wing. Bayang. Explosive in the open court. Efficient in the long ball. 25
big
with still
points.
17 minutes remaining at 7 of 11. 4 and 3 in rebounds and in assists. Down 8, GSIS under duress. De la Cuadra keeps them alive. Man Mountain with his 7-point. Has to do more. Young walks it. Young reverses. Young gets it back. Young fakes. Scoops. Blocked by Garcia. Hernandez chased by Bayang. Pulls up with a 3.
Ang hirap
second
na,
chance.
no?
Mahirap yun.
Bigla kang titigil.
Yes.
Masakit.
Oy, Isaac. Ramos. His own version. Duran sandwiches. Alvarez secures the possession para sa kanila. Dito ng mga taga-Senado, Coach Patrick, nagwa-warm up na sa ibabaw.
Oo.
Sa kabilang panig naman, ay wala. So, dito sila tinignan ko. Pero sigurado lang. Factual tayo.
Sabi nga ni Ma'am Rina kanina,
Anong
napaka-importante ang ang warm-up. Lalo na si Ma'am Rina. PT
yan eh.
Oo.
Pero kanina, yung PT natin, naka-C. PTC. Parent Teacher Conference.
Okay.
Garcia, open from the 3. Behind the sky. Garcia with 15. Second 3-point basket of the contest. As a team, they are 3 of 18 versus 2 of 14 for OP. Back in the hunt, down 3. From high of 8 earlier. Nakalamangan ng OP. Lapid. Alvarez. Oo. Sinong foul? Manigbas.
Foul si Manigbas.
Time out para sa OP. Kalamangan bumaba sa 3, 47-44. Ating babalik ang talaan, 5 minuto, 35 segundo sa pangatlong yugto.
Chikoy and Samyang, Chino and Sir Mark. Gawin natin, Sir, pick natin. Pick natin yung dalawa. So, labas ka, Sir Mark, dito. Chino, labas ka dito. Pagkalabas, mag-react yung dalawang depensa nyo. Sir, cut kayo dito ang dalawa. Libre-libre kayo dito. Okay ka lang? Tapos ito muna.
These are two top teams here in the EFO. Definitely big contenders. As the Senate still is unbeaten in 6 straight games. FP follows suit with a 6-1 win-loss card. Mamaya nga kasamang Moy, pasilip natin ang team standing sa ating mga manonood para madaanan ni Coach Patrick. Tomasino, Frank. PTF. Yan.
Isa PTC.
PTC, Miss Vina Villamor Camara. Physical Therapist. Parent Teacher Conference. Yan.
44-49.
Aha, they needed that.
Yes.
Basket after the timeout or after timeout play.
Si classmate.
Pag tiga Aquinas, anong tawag?
Aquinian.
Aquinian.
Oo. Dominicano eh.
Aha. Manigbas. For a 3. Libre si Bayang. Hinabol ni Manigbas. Ooh.
Uy.
Masaktan si Bayang. Umiwas naman yung cameraman, ano?
Oo.
Pero mukhang babangon naman. Oo. A few games ago, about 2 games ago, alam ko na-sprain siya eh. Pero bumalik, tinapos yung laro.
Si Manigbas parang nasaktan.
O, tingnan natin kung makikita natin yung huling aksyon. Isang beses lang. It's up and about. Hindi pwedeng hindi habulin si Bayang eh. Okay. The free throws coming up. What's the matter? Okay. Definitely there was a foul. Now let's see what the final judgment will be. Home run play challenged by Manigbas. Nagkabuhol. Ay, naapakan niya si Manigbas. Buti na lang nakaiwas yung cameraman sa ilalim, kundi nasaktan si Bayang.
Oo.
Natapilok, si Manigbas naman tumama yung siko sa sahig. Yan po ang pag-ulat ni Coach Ronnie Magsanok.
Buti na ibalik ni Bayang yung ano niya, yung kaliwang paa. Muntik naman ang tabi.
Natapilok na itong nakaraan eh. Ito na, Coach Pat ang team standings. Sige, pakipasadahan.
So dalawang naglalaro sa atin ngayon. Ang OP is 4-2. Ang GSIS is 5-1. Ang una naman is Senate 6-0. AFP 6-1. Ang Magis ay 3-4. Ang Ombudsman ay 2-4.
Alam mo, pag nanalo dito ang OP, eliminated ng judiciary at ang Ombudsman.
Yes.
Tama, di ba?
Oh, kaya
Dilima
talagang,
sila eh.
talagang pinupukpok nila eh. Ganon ka-importante.
Kasi makakalaro pa nila ang judiciary eh.
Yes. Makakalaro nila
Yes.
sa September 18, Wednesday.
Nilabas muna si Bayang. So, lose will be. I think free throws has to be shot already. Oo. Masyadong matagal. Luz taking free throws in the short. Oh, that's the ball to drop.
21 free throws na pala ano, executives. 13 made out of the 21.
Tao raw. Garcia against Luz. Beran against Young. Lapid against Aquinian. Aquinian?
Yan. Ayun!
See?
Eksakto pag ano.
May favoritism po si Coach Pat.
Magaling naman lalaro yan ng high school.
Talaga?
Oo.
Sino nauna sa inyo? Magkaklase kayo?
Magka-batch kami. Batch. Huwag na natin pag-usapan ko. Anong batch?
Batch 1980.
Oh, yun na yun. Okay na yun.
Bayang is back. Ang ganda ng second quarter ng OP.
Oo.
Garcia against Luz. Head and shoulder. Beran, wide open. The jumper has not fallen for him this afternoon. Beran is 2 of 8. Garcia and Hernandez, leading scorers, but Hernandez not starting out.
Beran also has 6 rebounds and 3 assists.
Bayang, close out counter. Galing rebound ni Beran, 7 na yan.
Oo.
Chuyako, short corner. Finally, they get a perimeter jumper. Lapid. Good transition defense para sa Furies.
Bayang kayang.
Taken away. May ininda si Bayang sa kamay niya eh.
Oo.
Na nagpapalabas. Chuyako. Nothing there. Alvarez against Senisa. The tank. Tama ang galaw.
Medyo ano lang.
Sobra sa tricep curls. Garcia. Senisa. Garcia. Chuyako. Senisa. Aquinian with a miss. Masakit ang kamay niya.
Oo.
Hindi niya makontrol, no?
Oo, kanina pa eh.
Sakit yung kaliwa kaya he's playing with one hand. He down to 1. Wala na kay Luz. Bayang atake. Bayang almost losing his footing. Scoreline in the first and second quarters, Coach Pat.
First quarter, GSIS 18 all. And OP, second quarter, 35 to 40. 17 points for the GSIS and 22 for the OP.
While here in the third quarter, the scoreline is GSIS has fired 15 points. OP with 11. So GSIS winning the quarter.
Oo.
Beran slides in. Misses again. That's a mighty rebound from Law. Go ahead, Coach Pat.
Napigilan nila si Alvarez eh. Pero may mga good shots naman si Alvarez kanina eh. Diba?
Preempted foul given up by Luz against the streaking Garcia. Wala pa sa penalty ang dalawang teams.
Na-manage ng GSIS ngayon yung ano.
Foul trouble and a foul situation.
Foul situation nila. Ang tawag mo dun is game management. No?
Yes. You just can't play if it's competitive. Diba? Lalo pag tournament. Very unselfish. Wide open look. Trickles out. Garcia with a jump hook. I like that move.
Ganda eh, no? Tsaka sakto eh.
Mahirap na tira pero dapat pag-aralan. Sabi ni Coach Kasim, top head. Lapid turns baseline. Good sell on the part of Alfonso. Garcia looking for an opening. Chuyako goes middle, slides in. No, almost. Bayang, good chase by Chuyako. Hernandez to the high post. Back to Hernandez. Nice play.
That's done.
Classic. Give and go. Stockton. Chumalo. Bayang against 4.
Eh, meron pang ganon.
Ayan.
Sino yun?
Malo. Si Ornacek.
Ornacek.
Lose with the surprise 3 ball.
Big shot yun.
Big shot,
lumamang na ng isa eh.
Open. Chuyako. Good pass. Excellent find. Slow to get down.
Actually, tinuro ni akala niya may kasama siya sa likod.
Wala na.
Oo, wala na pala. Tinuro ni Luz. Kay Lo. Isa pa.
Ang laki ni Lo eh. No?
Oo.
That's a concern. 3 fouls for De La Cuadra.
Penalty na pala, executive.
At least nasa dulo.
Oo.
11 na lang sa game clock eh. Lo? From the line, 2 of 7.
2 of 7. Ito bumubuhay sa kanila eh. Free throw talaga nila eh.
Finally nails 2 straight free throws.
Last 11 seconds in the third quarter. Ubos oras.
Last shot. Chuyako open. Goes nearer. Not enough time for Baya. After 30 minutes of play, OP still ahead by 2, but GSIS has fought back, narrowed the gap, and right now is back in the hunt. Hernandez, Manigbas, Hernandez. While para naman dito sa Office of the President, Alvarez, Ramos, and Baya. 2 teams. Only one will come out with a win. 10-minute quarter. The final one in a few minutes. Final quarter. Dead heat. Nail biter. Toe to toe. Check the numbers, Coach Pat, plus the leading scorers.
Yes, for GSIS, Garcia with 15, Hernandez with 14. Garcia with 9 rebounds and 6 assists. Sa executives naman, pinangungunahan, of course, si MJ Bayang with 25 big points. Alvarez with 13.
That's good defense by Beran and De La Cuadra, caging Alvarez. Difficult pass delivered by MJ Bayang though.
Oo. Sa third quarter, Coach Ron, 19 points for GSIS.
Tama.
16 for OP.
Kaya nakahabol sila. Oh! Macaregas played well. Kanina ko pa sinasabi yan. Struggled dun sa unang pasok niya, but delivers an all-important 3 to give his team a 1-point lead in the first 30 seconds of the fourth. Loose. Now it's Law again with another offensive rebound. Law spins, turns. Don't have to foul that type of a shot.
Oo.
57-56.
Rebounding, no? OP with 40 big rebounds.
Yes.
41 now compared to the Furies of with 32.
But they have 7 more turnovers.
Yes.
Tignan natin ang rebounds ni Law. Is it a high?
8 rebounds.
It's a high. Second best.
Alvarez with 11.
Double machine naman yan. Law beginning to find his groove from the line. Has hit his last 3 free throws after going 1 of 6 in the first 3 quarters. Tumama na. Bumagal yung pace, no?
Oo.
Open. Beran with offensive rebound. Fouled by Bayang. Knockout play by Garcia. Senisa. Hernandez steps back. Bayang beats Beran for the loose ball. 27 for Bayang. First 2 here in the fourth.
Ang bilis eh.
Parang ganda ng effort ni Beran. Alam niya kailangan makuha niya eh.
Oo.
Touch passing here. Beran sandwich loses the handle. Saves the possession. Huli sa likod.
Kaya lang nandun si Ramos. Tumama eh.
Warning. Technical.
Technical foul on OP Executives head coach Kasim Mirza for continuous complaining.
Garcia. 2-4 for Garcia from the line. 15 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists. Dalawa.
Binigyan ng dalawa.
Ito yung unang dalawa. Technical free throw yung una. Tapos 2 free throws.
Oo.
Tama, diba?
Tama.
12-3. So yun ang hatol kanina. Nahuli lang.
Oo.
Bayang, Gallop, struts. Beran blocking Alvarez in that last offensive sequence. Garcia against 4. Hernandez spots up. Fly-by move. Si Sinisa nakakatulong, ha?
Oo, dami niyang ano.
Makareg! Air ball, not of the good kind, sabi niya.
Oo, siya yung tumama ng start ng fourth, no?
Kailangan may tumira sa labas, wala talagang tumitira. Kaya yung depensa, ga-5 eh.
Oo.
Meron pa bang 5? Na coin?
Wala na.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Dami ko dati nun.
Oo.
Oh, that's big.
Yun ang big.
34 Bayang. 30 na yan.
30 points. 5 rebounds and 4 assists.
30 points on only 15 attempts.
Oo. Naagawan pa.
That's a second. 2 on GSIS.
There's a challenge on that last call. The offensive foul called against Beran.
Humihingi yata si Ramos ng ano. Ano yun?
Take foul.
Yeah.
Seems like that they will grade it to an unsportsmanlike foul. Parang ganun na nga, Coach Pat.
Oo.
Upon the review, it's an unsportsmanlike foul whistled on GSI's Furies number 3, Mike Beran.
May ball possession pa ba yan?
Let's see, kung walang jumpers, meron.
Oo. Ganon kalaki yung tinama ni Bayan na 3-point.
Oo, matataranta ka talaga eh. Galing.
Kinakausapan niya.
12-2. 30. 2 points. 12 of 13 from the line.
Almost
So,
perfect.
12 of his 32 from the line. That's 5 rebounds and 4 assists. Just a complete package in today's game. Overshoots the 3. And then takes away this transition play.
Hindi lang opensa, may depensa pa.
Loose. Ramos to Lo. Muntik na naman from the 3 ball. Low with another rebound. Lo attacks. To Alvarez. Taken away by Garcia. Hernandez against Bayang. Spins. Attacks. And scores. Cool na cool.
Oo.
16 for Hernandez.
Parang hindi yung may score eh, no? Silent operator.
Down 4. Alvarez almost loses the handle in that last
8 seconds.
lob pass. 8.5 seconds remaining on the clock. Nakadiin na rito ang lineup ng UP. Di na nagpapalit ang tao eh.
Hindi na. 6 minutes na lang eh. 16:31 na lang.
.65-61. OP na nanatili lamang. 4 na sunod na panalo para sa OP. 5 naman para sa GSIS. We set 5-1. A win here by OP cements the last spot in the Final Four and eliminates 2 teams in the running still na mga kumpunahang na itago natin sa pangalang judiciary.
Oo.
At
Ombudsman. Kaya talaga dinidiinan na nila yung laro nila.
Yes.
Mahirap na.
Mahirap talaga.
Upon the review, the challenge is successful.
Successful sa atin. Big possession to, ha?
Haba pa naman ako.
Oo.
Villacuatra back in the fray. Sinisa did his job and he did it well. Together with Alfonso. But now it's closing out time. Ball screen for Garcia. Garanto Hernandez. Hernandez against Alvarez. Half turns. Difficult shot. Alvarez secures the loose ball. Ramos slows it down and waits for his teammates. Alvarez. Tulo. Back to Ramos. Loose. Top of key. Ramos offensive rebound. CSIS dodging a bullet in the sequence. Poor foul given up. They will be in penalty.
Third foul. Sayang yung possession, no?
Pagod na sila eh.
Oo. Walang palitan eh.
Yes.
Halos.
Garcia suddenly takes a 3-ball. No one guarding. Garcia who hits his second 3-ball. That was 20.
20 points.
5 of 25 from the long ball.
11 rebounds and 7 assists for Garcia.
3 assists away from another triple double. They're down to 1. Ramos inside pass stolen. Garcia forward to Hernandez. Perfect pass. Not an easy shot to make. Bruce asking to be replaced.
Garcia already has 20 points in his name.
Ramos, 3. Bruce to low. Garcia takeaway. Garcia half turns. The defense coming from low.
Yung last 3 possessions ng ng executives, hindi siya nakakuha ng bola eh, no? Pagod na nga, Coach Ronnie. Pagod na.
Pagod ka talaga. 30 mahigit na eh. Taas mo mga paa mo mamaya.
Pagkatapos ng laro.
Oo, saka mag-a-ice ka.
MJ Bayang, 32 points. 12 of 14. Second miss. Free throw pa lang niya yan.
Ganda ng stroke.
Oo. 13 of 15 from the free throw line.
Gusto kong batiin si Kuya Joey at si Ate Beth. Ating hard-working team or production team sa UNTV Sports. .66 OP, 66 USIS. Penalty OP. 1 foul away, GSIS. Beran, jumper. Cold from the perimeter. Villacuatra looking for a friend. Beran attacks, finally scores.
Those were 3 big offensive rebounds for the Furies in that possession.
Up 2. Down 8 earlier.
Oo.
Defense. Defense. Sabi Coach Pat.
Kailangan dumipensa. Dumipensa nga sila.
Big out. Chuyako. De La Cuadra. Alfonso. Chuyako. Garcia. Tuberan. Tumama ng isa. Dadalawa ba? Chuyako again. Oh, it's Ramos. Looking for a fight. Ramos. May sinag ng araw eh.
Oo. Eh, nakibayang na yung bola.
Ramos. Back to Bayang. Yang is inside. And so he's slapping. Good half-court defense. Yes, yes.
Good half-court nga.
Porter scoring. Tingnan natin, Coach Pat.
They ended up with 54 for the Furies, 56 for the Executives at the end of third quarter. So far, 14 and 10.
Oy! Naku, nabitawan.
Oo.
Opportunity para sa OP. Good play coming from Young. Golden chance para sa SIS. De La Cuadra mishandled it.
Oo. Parang siya sabi ni Sam Yang, masakit ng kamay niya. No?
And 36. Yang has been quiet almost all game long. Masakit ang kamay niya. And 33. Nearing the twilight zone. Two-man game, Garcia and Beran. Hernandez, cross match. Chuyako takes it. Misses. Young, the defensive rebound. Bayang with the basketball. Bayang still against Hernandez. Young. Alvarez. Trapped underneath, forced into a turnover. .67 OP. SIS ahead by 1. 2 minutes and a second remaining. Timeout on the floor for the Furies.
Maganda. B. Homer, dribble, Steve, corner, Pio, corner. B, labas ka rito.
Okay.
Okay? Pasa. Okay. Mer, pagkapasa mo, punta ka rito. Pagkapasa mo kay B, B-cut ka, i-hand-off sa'yo rito.
Okay.
Okay? B-cut. Pag B, face the basket ka. Pag dito libre siya, bigay mo. Okay. Mer, pag natanggap mo rito, diretso mo. Pag wala, kick-out mo kay Piwi ron sa corner. Okay, ito kay Sir Paul, drop pass.
Walang offensive call pagka-hand-off pa. Walang offensive pa. Wala ako.
Sir, miss or made, baba agad.
Baba agad. Baba. Go, 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 go.
2 minutes and a second remaining. Sir, inbound na po. Finally, they will inbound the basketball. My goodness. 2 minutes. Fourth quarter action.
Ganda ng laro.
Pang playoffs na to eh.
Oo.
Baka magharap ito sa dulo. O sa semis kung sakali.
Oo.
Oops. Another timeout, this time para sa OP. So 1-point lead para sa GSIS.
Gawin natin play, okay? MJ, J-Lo. J-Lo to, sir. Sir, pick mo, Sir J-Lo. Magkasuot na yan. Lalabas si Sir MJ dito. Pagkakuha dito, Sir Sammy Yang, akit ka dito, pick ka dito. Atakihin nyo to. Sir MJ, huwag ka na magano. Pero may Sir Luz ka sa corner para tumira.
Convert tayo, guys. Convert.
Which corner si Luz?
Option to cross it and inbound in the half court.
Pag twinos, 14 seconds.
Yes. Matic.
Big possession to for the OP.
And they take the lead. Or will GSIS preserve this 1-point edge. Ball screen Yang para kay Bayang. Chuyako fighting over. Sets up Ramos. Yang recovers. Oh! Lost opportunity. Another timeout. Kaya po yung magbabalik. 82 seconds remaining.
Baka tumao. Tulong kayo, tulong. Pag tumao, yung handoff itawag natin. Homer. Kasi Homer. Ito, Homer. Homer. Pag tumao sila yung handoff natin. Handoff pa rin ha. Steve dito, Peewee dito. Dali mo rito yung bola, B. Dito ka lang muna. Mas bigla ka lumabas para makatanggap ka. Ngayon, Mer, pag nakatao ha, pag pinasa kay B, dito ka lang bumigat, Mer. Pag masyado madikit, dito mo tawiran. B, ito ha. Pag nagtao. Ngayon, ito, pag nagsona, ganun pa rin yung takbo ha. B, Steve, Leo, Paul. Okay? Dali mo pa rin dito yung bola. Corner Steve, Bill dito. B, dito mo tanggapin ha. Mer, pag nakasona to, dito lang, adjust ka lang dito. Pasa, atakihin mo rito.
This is it, Coach Matt.
Yes.
This is it.
After 3-4 possessions, no? 4
One
stops.
timeout remaining for these two coaches. Duran looks. Foul by Law. Lakas nun. Chance to go up by 3. Mahusay maglaro si Duran. Di lang tumama ngayon. First trip to the line. Incidentally for Duran. That's big.
Big basket. Big free throw basket.
Yes. Kasi maghaharap pa ang GSIS at ang AFP kung di ako nagkakamali eh. So yun ang sipaan para sa twice to beat edge kung manalo sila ngayon. Violation by Duran. Nasa 2-point lead.
Pwede pa.
Ay, malayo.
Layo pa. 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining.
Dami na tayo nakita. Talo na, mananalo pa.
Oo.
Meron naman mananalo na. Matatalo pa. Mananalo ulit.
Yes.
Both teams in penalty. Ramos. Bayang, 2-man game. Bayang against Hernandez. Cage. Young. With a bad pass. Hernandez. Unopposed. Gives his team a 4-point lead. Big steal by Garcia. Big basket by Hernandez. 3 straight points. 4-point lead. Under 40. Final quarter.
Quick na tayo, sige, quick 2. Okay, quick 2. Sir, gawin pa rin natin. Sige, sige. Okay lang yan. Gawin natin, sir. Gawin na natin, sir. Sir MJ, same pa rin tayo. Marami tayo makuha. Chino, dali mo yung bola. Pick si Sir Chino, si Sir Chicoy dito. Pagkalabas si Sir MJ, bigay. Pick si Sammy dito. Sir, atake mo. Corner ka, Erica.
Under 40. 14 on the clock. Final timeout call by Coach Kasim Mirza.
Down
Tomasino. Looking for one more big stop. Alvarez. Loose open from the corner. Overshoots. Foul on Alvarez. 2 free throws coming up for Garcia. Luz had an open look. It was a good look. Made one earlier.
Yeah, open shot yun.
Give yun, di ba, Coach Pat?
Oo. Tsaka tumama na si Luz kanina eh.
Saka wala ka na mahihingi ron. They went for the home run. They were not rewarded. Masakit yung loose ball foul.
Oo. Kasi babalik pa sana, ano?
Yes, 8 of 14 free throws. Garcia has played the best here.
Si Garcia tumama kanina nung tres.
Dalawa. Ayan, nasa harap mo.
Oo.
No more timeouts remaining. Manalo ang GSIS, buhay pa ang judiciary.
Yan ang pinagdadasal nila.
Nananalangin.
Oo, nananalangin.
Para sa GSIS. That's a nail on the coffin perhaps. Kung sakali man. No need to foul para sa GSIS. Ramos will look for a 3 for sure. Ramos will not make it. Garcia, 2 assists from a triple-double. Bad pass. So what's the call? There was a whistle. Samayang bagsak ni Ramos. Kuya Moy, can we check that last play? Yung last play ay na-last. Oh, there was a foul call.
Blocking foul na tinawag.
Ponte la quadra, 5 fouls.
That's a big call. Kaya mabigat yung turnover ni Garcia, di ba? Kasi pwedeng nahawakan na lang. But it happens.
Nasaktan talaga si Ramos. Sakit yung kamay niya.
Naku, nabagsakan eh, no?
Oo. Sino mag-free throw?
Kaya na si Lo.
Si Lo.
And we're hopeful that Attorney Ramos will be okay. Lo misses the front end. They needed that.
Kailangan nila.
Oh, 4-game winning run at stake here. This is both. Garcia with another rebound. Rebound number 12. Gotta get the ball up. Kundi pa-fouling kanila. Alphonse Triaco takes a shot. And this will be all she wrote here. GSIS still has a chance at a twice-to-beat edge. Office of the President has to survive the challenge of judiciary. For an outright berth in the semis, judiciary heaving a sigh of relief as they're still alive for a possible spot in the semis. GSIS fought long and hard, up early, down for some time, but in the end, it was all about Garcia and Hernandez with some help, of course, from Beran, Manigbas, even De La Cuadra and Macarig. And eventually, they will prevail by 6 points here, Coach Patrick. Kaya lang sana maayos naman na mangyari dito kay Atty. Ramos kasi dahan-dahang naglalakad pabalik sa kanilang bench.